right. And so I've got some tools we can use to help us to do that. And so that's, again, it's going to be on page number 2, and I'll share it. And one of those things is a vehicle forecast. All right. When you look at page 3, the next page, I've got a sample, one of these. If you like this, don't write on it, just save it. You can use it later. You can print some of these out and use it in your own shop. Okay. And so all it is just it's something tangible and physical that you can hold in your hand when you're talking to the customer and you're collecting data and information from the customer. These are questions you can ask to help kind of break the ice. And so one of the things we can ask the customer is, how long have you owned your vehicle? Did you purchase it brand new? How long do you plan on keeping the vehicle? Do you have a particular mileage goal? And if so, what is it? You can ask, these are just suggested questions. You don't have to ask all of them, maybe just a couple. Do you prefer to do regular recommended maintenance on your car, or do you generally only repair what's needed? Now, these are almost the same question, but opposite. And is there any additional thoughts that you would like to share with me? And so that's a great tool that you can use. Some shops will keep something similar to this on a clipboard. And as they're talking to the customer, maybe some people go out to the car and they're taking information from the customer. It's a great opportunity to break the ice. And it also kind of lets us know what the customer's kind of intentions are. We get to know, hey, you ask them, how long do you plan on keeping the vehicle? One of the things they may say is, oh, I'd like to get 200,000 miles out of it, or I'm going to keep it till the wheels fall off. Or maybe they tell you it's a lease and they're trading it in 6 months. But nevertheless, that's all valuable information that we want to know, right? We want to know as much information as we can about the customer and their cars, because that's going to help kind of the pathway that we take that customer on as well. Okay. So any questions or comments on the vehicle forecast as a method of kind of getting acquainted with the customer? None? All right. Has anybody ever used something similar to this before? Eli? Okay, good. Yeah, it definitely works, because sometimes the customer comes in and you might not be able to think of good things to ask them or talk to them about. And this just gives you a little help. It gives you some questions you can ask. And so even take away the sheet altogether, you can still put that in kind of your repertoire of, hey, how long you own the vehicle? Is there a particular length of time you want to try to keep the car? Is there a mileage goal that you have in mind? And then guess what? We get to take that information and we put it in our notes. And it's certainly, we can let them know that, well, heck, we're the shop. We can help you get those 200,000 miles, or, if you want to drive it till the wheels fall off, you're going to own it for a real long time, because we're going to make sure they never do, and things like that to kind of help break the ice.